Hello student, this is our part 3 of chapter 5, that is arithmetic progression. In this video we are going to discuss the questions related to some of the terms. Suppose you are having the terms a1, a2 up to so on an, then what's the formula for sum of n terms? Formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you have to use when you are having a and d. When a and d are given, or you have already found out the a and d, but you are having one more formula n by 2. Sn is n by 2 a plus an. This formula is used when you are having an is given or an you have already find out. ओके जब आपके पास an है, an को लास्ट भी बोलते हैं, जैसे कई स्टूडेंट ये भी लिखते हैं n by 2 a plus l. Both having the same meaning. Why? Because an and l both are having the same thing. Last term or an net term, both are having the same meaning. Getting my point? For sum you are having the two formulas, and this is the sum of the term. If anybody asks find out the n net term, that means an. What's the formula for that? A plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you have already done in 5.2. That means second video you have already done this formula. Now we are going to discuss the questions related to sum of the terms. So today's first question is, find the sum of the following AP. AP is 2, 7, 12 to so on to 10 terms. What is 10 terms? Means you are having 10 terms in this sequence. This is not your term. This is the number of terms. So what is your A? 2. What is G? Second term minus first term, 7 minus 2, 5. Yes, so what's the formula for S10? S10 you have to find out. Yes, what's the formula for Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. हाँ जी, ये formula क्यों use किया? Because we are having a and d. So question is S10. Just fill the values here. 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into d. What is g? 5. What is g? 5. This is 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 9 5s are 45. 5 into 49. So what's the answer? 5 9s are 45. 4 is carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 or 4? 24. So 245 is the sum of first 10 terms of the AP. Very easy. So now question is, find the sum of the following AP. 34 plus 32 plus up to 10. यहाँ पे देखो क्या डिफरेंस है, यहाँ टर्म्स नहीं लिखा. That means this is your last term. N is not given. An is 10. What is your A? 34. What is your D? Second term minus first term, that is minus 2. हाँ जी, An is given. N is not given, so just find out the N. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your 10. A is 34 plus n minus D is minus 2. So 10 minus 34 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 2. Yes, 34 में से 10 गए, 24. This minus 2 goes in divide. Minus 1 cancel with minus sign. This is your 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So how many terms in this AP? 13. Now find out the sum. Sum of 13 term. Why first I will find out the n? Because to find the sum, first you will aware about how many terms in the AP. Why? Because how you can find? With the help of an. And why? If you are having no 10, then how you can solve the Sn? Now what's the formula for Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just fill the values here. N is 13. 13 by 2. What's your A? 34. 13 minus 1, 12. What is your D? Minus 12. Minus 2. 34 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 12 2s are 24. Yes. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. This is your 22. Now 13 into 22. 13 2s are 26. 2 13 2s are 26 or 28. So 286 is your sum of first 13 terms. So this is the question. Now next question. Question is, how many terms of the AP 9 7 25 up to so on must be taken to give a sum of 636? Means sum of the n terms they have given 636. First term they have given 9, and what is g? Second term minus first term. 17 minus 9, 8. Now question is how many terms? That means n you have to find out. So what's the formula for Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your 636, and you have to find out 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. What did it become? 636 into 2, n into 18 plus 8n minus 8. Just open the bracket. 10 plus 8n. Again open the bracket. 10n plus 8n square. This here 636 into 2. Just take the 2 common out. Take 2 as common. What it becomes? 5n plus 4n square. 2 cancel with 2. 636 is equals to 5n plus 4n square. Now take 632 shift to that side. प्लस 636 को अगर वहाँ जाते तो किस में चेंज हो गया? माइनस में. सो नाउ दिस इज योर क्वाड्रेटिक. जस्ट यूज द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. व्हाट इज दैट? माइनस ऑफ बी प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. व्हाट इज योर बी? 5. व्हाट इज योर बी स्क्वायर? 5 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू माइनस 636 अपॉन 2 इंटू a. माइनस साइन कैंसिल विद माइनस साइन. Yes, 25 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 36, 36 upon 8. Do the calculations. Minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 16 into 6, 36. 10176 upon 8. Now what it becomes? 10201. हाँ जी, what's the square root of 10201? That is 101. हाँ जी, what's the meaning of plus minus? Take one time addition sign, one time negative sign. Neglect this term. Why? Because number of terms cannot be negative. 98 upon 8. So your n is 12. How many terms in the AP? 12 terms. I hope it's clear to you. Now next question. Question is the sum of first 7 terms of the AP is 49. That means S7 is 49. And sum of 17 terms is 289. How you can write this? Using the sum formula. Sum of terms n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6. D is equals to 49. Here n by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16. D is equals to 289. Yes, 7 cancel with 49, 7. 2a plus 6d. 2 7s are 14. Here 17 cut with this 17. 2a plus 16. D is equals to 2 into 17, 34. Now you are having two equations. Subtract these and you get the answer of D. So D is 2. Now fill the value of D in 1. Put value of D in equation 1. What's the answer of A? 2a plus 6 into 2 is equals to 14. 2a is equals to 14 minus 12. So 2a is 2. A is 1. What's your first term now? 1 and common difference is 2. Question is find the sum of first n terms. So what's the formula for Sn? A is 1, D is 2. Use the formula for Sn. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is not given. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, d is 2. N by 2, open the bracket. 2 into n, 2n. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 2 cancel with minus 2. 2 cancel with 2. So your answer is n square. Sum of n term is, for this AP is n square. So now next question. Question is find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Multiples of means 8 table. 8, 16, 24 up to so on. 15 multiples. That means n is 15. A is 8. What is your common difference? 16 minus 8. 8. Find out S15. What's the formula for S15? 15 by 2. 2 into A. What is your A? 8. 15 minus 1. What's the formula? N minus 1 into D is 8. Before that you have to write the formula, that is Sn. As I told you what's the formula for Sn. After that you have to solve this. Yes, 2 8s are 16, 15 minus 1, 14 into 8. 4 8s are 32, 3 8 1s are 8 or 3, 11. Add these two terms, it becomes 128, cut with 2, 64. So 15 into 64, this is your 960. Okay, very easy question. Now next question. Question is show that A1, A2 up to so on AN form an AP when AN is defined as AN is 3 plus 4 and also find the sum of first 15 terms. First you have to check whether it is an AP or not. Just put the N1. What is here? A1, 3 plus 4, 7. Put N2, 3 plus 4 into 2, 8 or 3, 11. 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15. Now check the common difference. What's the D? Second term minus first term. 11 minus 7, 4. Again check. One more term. Again it is 4. That means D is same. So these are in AP. Now question is check whether it is an AP or not. We have already checked now. Okay, this is an AP. Now find the sum of first 15 terms. Means you have to find out S15. What's the formula? N by 2, 2 into A plus 15 minus 1, 14 into D. What is your D? That is 4. 2 7s are 14 plus 14 4s are 56. This is 70. 35, 15 into 35. 15 5s are 75, 7 is carry, 15 3s are 45, 45 or 7, 52. So 525 is your required answer. Getting my point? Now next question. Question is if the sum of first n terms of the AP, that means Sn is 4n minus n square. What is the first term? Just put the n 1, 4 into 1 minus 1 square. That is 3. Sum of one terms or first term, both are same. Why? Sum of one term, अकेले एक ही term उसका sum या first term, both are same things. Means first point is your answer. Now what is the sum of first two terms? Put n2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 8 minus 4, that is 4. This is the sum of first two terms. Now question is what is the second term? The second term, how you can find out sum of two terms minus sum of one term? Sum of two term is 4, sum of one term is 3. So your answer is 1. Now, how you can find out the common difference? Second term minus first term. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. This is your common difference. Question is find the third and nth term. What's the formula for third term? A plus 2D. What is your A? First term. 3 plus 2 into minus 2. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. This is your third term. Now next, last, what is nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3. What is D? Minus 2. 3 minus 2n plus 2, that is 5 minus 2n. Very easy question. This is your nth term. Okay. So this is all about this question. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.